Happy Thursday, eighth graders. Mrs. Lynn has instructed you to have this open on your Chromebook, and your book should be open to page 84. For now, I'd like you to have your hands in your lap as I give you some instructions. Just a reminder of where we're going. Okay, everybody listen carefully. Today, we're going to do the study guide and a couple other activities. Friday is trash ball day. Okay. And then Tuesday, you'll be taking a test here on this chapter 4 material, and you'll be writing your letter to your resident at the from the inn on Westport. Stamp, stamp, stamp. You need your stamp by Tuesday. All right. So first off on today's to-do list is our chapter 4 study guide. Couple of reminders. The study guide is not meant to trick you. It goes in chronological curricular order. It will all go in order in your textbook and in your classroom. All right, so let's just review. This is just the same as all the other study guides that we have worked on. If you notice, the first section is called Lesson 1, Colonial Economy. Okay, everything that you see here will be found in one of two places. Okay, page 84 is the beginning of Lesson 1. So you can find it in your text. A very, very handy tool is if you go to classwork, go to classwork. It's all organized by topic. And if you go to chapter 4, you will see a lesson called Lesson 1, Colonial Economy. So you can use your book and you can use your daily assignment. Remember, you can copy and paste from your daily assignment because it's your work, so it's not plagiarism. If you scroll down, the next one is Lesson 2, Colonial Government. Same situation. Okay, go forward in your textbook and find Lesson 2, Colonial Government. All these answers will be found in that part of the textbook. But in classwork, you can also go to Chapter 4, Lesson 2, Colonial Government, and use your daily work. Okay, the first two questions on your daily assignment, you would be able to copy and paste these right in there. All right, so you're going to just continue on going that with Lesson 3. Lesson 4 is a little bit different. You still can use your textbook, but remember, we did not do an assignment in classroom on Lesson 4. Remember, on Tuesday, I said, if you do your work really well today, it will pay off on Thursday. Well, remember on Tuesday, we did our Lesson 4 work on those sticky notes right in your textbook, okay? So they should be right where the answers are, and the answers should be written on your sticky note. So Lesson 4 should be particularly easy because a lot of these answers you will find right on your sticky notes in Lesson 4. All right, so here's the part that you're not going to love. Well, some of you are going to love. Hands back in your lap. The last few study guides, we've always worked in partners, and some of you love, love, love working in partners. But there is this percentage of kids that prefer working by themselves, and it's really important that we allow them to kind of do their jam too. All right, so this chapter, you're going to work on this study guide by yourself. Can you believe it? All right, so you're going to get about 35 minutes here to work on this on your own. And you're going to show Miss Lynn how thankful you are that you're getting class time to work on this, that this is not an assignment that you have to do outside of class. So use this time well, okay? Read well, think well, write well. It doesn't do any good to have a study guide that is shoddy, okay? We want something that's thorough and accurate. Okay, hands in your lap. So you're going to work on this. Now, I also know there's a group of you out there that are students like this. How do I know I'm right? How do I know I'm right? What if my answer's wrong? What if my answer's wrong? I promise later in the period, those of you that are worried about, do I have the right answer or not? I promise I will address that issue. Okay. For right now, Miss Lynn's going to be walking around, making sure that you are working on this on your own, doing your very best. All right, so about 30, 35 minutes to do that. Work hard, Chargers.